Hello guys, today in this video I'll show you people how the phone service center people or the company service centers will understand if your phone has been damaged through water, because in the warranty agreement it is written that if the phone has been physically damaged or it has been damaged due to water, then it won't come under warranty. So many times we'll what we people does is we will dry the phone, keep in dries and all, and after that we will try to give it to the service center, but still they reject it. So I'll show you people, by doing that you can't fool those people. So how it works I'm gonna show you here. Okay, so the thing is, see, it is a Samsung phone I have been dismantling. So see, this is the charging port. You can see the charging port. Many times we think from water will go from the charging port, so we will just try to remove the water from here with earbuds or something, and we'll dry it with hair dryer. And once everything is dry, after 1 week if you go and show to them, they won't understand. It is not like that. Actually, see, when we remove this thing, you can see there is a small pink paper. See, you can see that pink paper. So it won't change any color from moisture and all, like any fog is there, because actually there are seals. You can see that there are seal which is protecting it from that. But what will happen, this is sitting like this. Okay, this is inside, and then this thing comes like this, and this thing covers. So mostly little bit of water resistance, this is what they call as water resistance. So it will resist the water from going inside because these gaskets are there. Okay, so normally water doesn't go inside, but in any reason if water goes inside, see, you can see there is a pink color sticker. Wait, I'll focus it one more time. So pink color sticker, see, normally it doesn't change color, but see, I'm going to take a bit of water. See, I dipped it in water. Now if I place this thing on here, it will change its color. See, you saw? See, I'll try it also. See, I'll put the flash also. I hope you people can see there was XX mark, which is now not there. See, now how much ever you dry, see, I am using the other side and I am drying it. See, how much ever I dry it, that mark won't come back, that XX mark. See, the color is coming here. Once it's gone, it's gone. See, how much ever clean it, this thing won't. And if it dries also, it won't change. So this is how the company people gets to know if your phone has been damaged through water. So sometimes if your phone falls on a bucket of water while washing clothes or in a pond or something, and you try to dry it with rice, those kind of things will never work. Whatever you do, this sticker's color is not going to go back to normal. So they will charge you for the service. So now I just wanted to share this thing with you people, because many people doesn't know this. So that's why I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.